Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ashley Tessima with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2009. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has fined Hennessee Group $814,000 in a settlement for advising clients to invest in Bayou hedge funds, which turned out to be fraudulent. According to the Financial Times, around 40 Hennessee clients invested millions of dollars in the Bayou hedge funds from February 2003 through August 2005. The SEC has charged Hennessee and its principal, Charles Grandante, with breaching security laws by not reviewing and analyzing before recommending clients to invest in Bayou. The charges come 4 years after the Bayou fraud was discovered. Staying with hedge fund news, KKR partner Derek Moggan has said the private equity firm will not buy toxic assets as part of the government's program to help banks clean up bad debts. According to Reuters, he said the move would not be in line with KKR's strategy. KKR looks to make improvements in the companies it invests in and is not attracted to current income and dividends, Moggan said. Carlyle and BlackRock, along with bond fund manager PIMCO, are planning to participate in the scheme, which seeks to help banks get rid of about $1 trillion in toxic assets. And in more hedge fund news, Swiss hedge fund manager Absolute Capital Management is planning to delist from London's junior stock market. According to Financial News, the move comes as its reduced size is not profitable compared to the costs and regulatory obligations. In order to delist, ACM requires about 3/4 of its shareholders to vote for the same and expects to delist by June. ACM was compelled to restructure its business when its CIO, Florian Hahm, left unexpectedly 2 years ago. And in other hedge fund news, Singapore-based hedge fund firm Octagon Capital Management is planning to launch a fund. According to Bloomberg, it will raise money for a quantitative macro fund which bets on currencies, equities, interest rates, and commodities in Asia. The fund is attracting commitments from funds of funds, family offices and pension funds, and existing investors. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click on to Hedge Funds channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.